Actions speak louder than words. Proverb. Meaning of the proverb. The proverb actions speak louder than words means that putting one's thoughts, plans, and agenda in action is more significant than just speaking about it. Your actions will be acknowledged by others, but not what you said. What you say, people will probably forget about it in some time, but your actions will materialize your words as a proof of your sincerity. The proverb is sometimes also used as a warning for those who speak something else but act differently. Examples of the proverb. Raunak used to say that he will grow up to become a doctor, and his friends laughed at him and did not give heed. Today he is the best doctor in town, and those same friends now respect him. Raunak proved that actions speak louder than words. Mansi is always worried that her colleagues did not acknowledge her project plan. I told her to start working on the plan because actions speak louder than words. Origin of the proverb. The idea of the phrase was first expressed by an English parliamentarian, John Pym, during the time of the English Civil War. A phrase with a similar meaning of the proverb is found in the record of the 1628 UK Parliament proceedings. It was during the proceedings that Pym had said, "A word spoken in season is like an apple of gold set in pictures of silver, and actions are more precious than words." Later in 1693, English clergyman Thomas Manton wrote an exact version of the proverb in his book on sermons, so they would give him glory, praise him with their lips, and honor him with their lives. They would make that their work had scope, that this may be the real language of their hearts and actions, which speak much louder than the words. Expansion of the proverb. The proverb actions speak louder than words means that actions are more acknowledged than words. A person may have several plans, but they are worthless until culminated in actions. For example, consider a person who always talks about making it big one day, becoming rich and famous, but in reality he does not make any effort and just wastes his time sitting idly. Such a person will never get the recognition that he desires until he proves through his actions that he deserves it. Not only that actions speak louder, but they are also more worth than words. There is also a second expansion of the proverb. It means that the true character of a person is indicated more prominently by his/her actions than by what and how they speak. For example, someone might be behaving with sympathetic towards the poor, but in reality he/she disrespects him. Then the proverb acts as a warning for them that their actions are louder and will have credence over their words. Importance of the proverb. The proverb is important as it encourages us to speak less and act more. Ultimately, our actions will matter more than our words. People only recognize us by our actions, but will soon forget our words. We must be progressive towards our goals in action, but not only in plans. The proverb inspires everyone from different walks of life, students, professionals, etc. It teaches that if you want to be recognized in society and do something commendable, then you must start acting on it immediately. Consequently, your actions will give you success but not your words. Another importance of the proverb is that it teaches us to not form opinions about someone based on their words, but rather we should make our judgment based on their actions. Actions speak the truth about a person's inherent character. Short story on actions speak louder than words. There was a boy named Raju. He was always talking about cricket and said that cricket is his favorite game. He also expressed a desire to become a famous cricketer one day. He got so engrossed in his ambition that he wanted people to recognize his desires and consider him as a cricketer already. But he was wrong because he only thought of becoming a cricketer but did not practice enough to succeed as one. He was very casual about it and often skips matches to stay home. His father well understood his son's state and tried to counsel him. One day, when Raju was simply lazing off, his father came and tried to speak to him about his ambition of becoming a cricketer. He said, "Son, you have to understand that the plans you have in your mind are worthless to others. In this world, only your actions are recognized and acknowledged. What you do or achieve matters, but not what you say or believe. If you want everyone to acknowledge your cricketing skills, then you must start acting now." This small conversation changed Raju's mind completely. He started practicing hard and was soon selected for an interstate tournament. He was very happy and thanked his father for guidance and support. His father conveyed his blessing and asked him to always remember that actions speak louder than words. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.